Hey guys. So I just posted AJ News episode 4 like a minute ago, and in that episode, it said, wait, wrong page. Okay, that there is going to be a new, animal coming to AJ, and I just figured out what it was. So, okay. Clues are at the top of the page, so O-T-T-E-R, otter. So, yeah. Hopefully it won't be a diamond trap animal, because that's, like, really annoying. Because, like, it might turn out to be really cool, and then, yeah. So, yeah. Diamond trap animals kind of stink. Alright, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.